So let's have a quick look at the demo first. If I'll double click on this file, it says the following attributes are supported on the Windows console. By default, you can only see a normal text on the CMD screen, but now you have the ability to bold your text, underline it, blink it, negative image, dim it or dimmed text, okay, double underline, strike through, overline, italic text. Okay, so in a way you can you can apply some font properties to the text inside the console screen. That seems interesting. Let's see. And it says this text has an underline on it. Perfect. This text is blinking. I doubt that. This text has foreground and background reversed. Yes, that's true. This text is a dimmer shade of the foreground color. Okay, seems like these two are not working, the blinking and the dimmer shade, and has an even larger underline. So underline we can't see. I think this is maybe because of the Windows terminal or Windows CMD. I'm right now in Windows 10, so maybe that is the issue. This text is strike through. Okay, that is also not working. This text has a line on the top of it. We'll have a look at it, but this one has no line. The text is slanted. Okay, results depend on font. I can understand. Okay, text is now reset. End of demonstration. Okay, so few of things are working. Let's talk more about it. Hello there, Karan here, and in this video we are going to talk about an amazing creation from my friend Zeke. He has created a great plugin. He created it a long time ago, but I just got time to evaluate it or have a look at it. It's amazing. So you need to look at it. It's tat.exe. The name tat suggests that it is text to text attributes for terminal. Let me drag and drop the GitHub of the same. So you can say text attributes for terminal. Its usage is simple. We'll talk about it, how to use it. I will right now minimize that. So let's directly dive into how to use TAT. So what I will do is, as you saw, the demo was not working perfectly. A few of the functions were not fine. So what we will do is we will open terminal. So before the video I installed Windows Terminal from the store, and let's quickly change the directory cd/d control v cls, then echo of cls. Okay. So let's call demo again. Underline is working as before. Text is blinking. The blinking is not working for some reason. I think this feature is broken. This is working. This text is dimmer shade of the foreground color. This is working. Now this one is working. Okay. The text has an even larger underline. This one has double underline. It is working. So the only thing is not working is blinking, which is if you use Windows Terminal, it will most of the features of the plugin will work. Strike through is also working. Great. And this line has this text has a line on the top of it. That's also true. The text is slanted. This one is also true. Amazing, awesome. I didn't know this was possible in command prompt. And this is now reset. End of demonstration. Great, amazing work. This looks great. Let's see how you guys can use it in your programs. So let's have a quick look at the help menu of TAT. TAT/?. Wow, the help menu is quite small. Text attributes for terminal tat.exe by Zeke, and how to use it, just call the TAT and write the attributes. Okay, press any key to see the attributes list. Okay, I'm pressing any key. Seems like any key is just an enter. Yeah, it is. So I'll press enter, and there are a list of attributes. I'll full screen terminal, and then the attributes can be simply in no given order: bold, underline, blink, negative, dim, big underline, strike, overline, italic, normal, foreground and background. Wow, one thing I love about how Zeke thinks about the solution is that he keeps the solution so simple that you don't need to remember that or memorize that. You just you need a bold text, just write TAT bold and then the text, and the text goes bold. Great. Bold undoes undoes the dim attributes. Undoes. My bad. So bold undoes the dim attribute. By default, all CMD text is bold. Okay. Underline is just UL. You can also use short notations as well. B is for bold, UL for underline, BK is for blink, NG for negative, D for dim. Great. So let's do one thing. Wow. So you can also use RGB notations to set the foreground and background colors. Perfect work. Press any key to see the examples. I have pressed enter. TAT blink underline overline. This will be make the line okay. That's and like this. Okay. So TAT blink. This will make the sense underline and above. Okay, this seems interesting. You can do both the lines on the top and the bottom. Awesome. If you resize the console window, some attributes will expand to the entire width of the window. Duplicate attributes, apply this last one. Okay, I'll try one. I'll try to do the dim. CLS TAT dim. Let's say Batchman, and if I press enter, seems like, whoa, how does it work? Okay. What it's doing right now is it is trying to, it has applied the attribute on the next coming inputs. It has not done dim on that particular sentence. I thought it will do that, but okay, let's try the help menu again. Okay, it says D, and how to use that? It says TAT blink underline overline. Will that work? Not sure. CLS TAT, let's say this, Control V. Wow. That one is great. Now everything that is coming after this is getting this feature. Wow, CLS does an amazing thing. Okay, I'll do TAT reset. I know this one, it will reset everything, but apparently it does not. So let me try to clear the screen. Yeah. So what it is doing is it is changing the attributes for the next coming input. Let's see what this demo file contains. I will try to reduce the length of the video first. So what's happening here is TAT underline. Okay, so what Zeke is doing, he is applying an attribute, then after that he is just calling an echo command to print out the text. Now everything after this applying this attribute that will be printed on the screen will have that particular attribute. So that is why when I said or TAT D Batchman, it does not output a dim Batchman. It is just doing all the next lines dimmer. So all the things that's coming after this are going to be underlined. Then after that he's doing reset with an empty line, then stopping, then he's repeating the same thing. Awesome. This one is simple to use. All you need to do is just understand how it works. So I think the video is going longer. I will not try to stretch it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to post your questions in the comment, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.